Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Very good news for my dear vascular fellow. As you know, in your training trip, it's very important to attend the important vascular congress, because if you read textbook, you probably are 4 years old. And if you read paper, you probably are 2 years old. But if you attend the congress, you are on the cutting edge of vascular intervention. One of the great, very valuable course to attend Congress, which is PAIRS, Pan-Arab Intervention Radiology Society. It supplies a huge amount of information. There is nearly 1 day dedicated for aortic intervention, 1 day dedicated for venous intervention, 1 day dedicated for arteriovenous access and the vascular access, endovascular and open. It is one of the most beneficial courses to attend, and I was able to have a great gift that registration fees will be zero to Egyptian vascular fellow. Any Egyptian vascular fellow, if you would like to contact me, I will connect you to faculty in PAIRS that will able to get you a complete discount to registration fees. I am sure during these 3 days of PAIRS in 2025, you will have a huge amount of information about technology, about practice. We all have learned a lot from intervention radiologists, Professor Ayman al-Sibai, Professor Muhammad al-Shammari. All of them have taught us a lot of tips and tricks about intervention. You will learn how to treat varicose vein endovascular, how to treat testicular varicosity, endovascular, and how to treat multiple diseases, IVC, aortic intervention. Great speaker worldwide, Professor Muhammad al-Hammadi. So this opportunity for vascular fellow and the vascular surgeon is not to be missed by any chance. The course will be in April, from 9th until 13th of April 2025. Start arranging for you to attend such a congress. It will summarize to you all what is new on the last year devices, lectures, techniques. All will be summarized in 3 days. It's an opportunity not to be missed. This is only for Egyptian vascular surgeon and the Egyptian fellow. Grab this chance. Attend such a great congress, summarize all what is new to you, and get familiar with all new techniques and new devices. My name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon, and I wish you all the best.